model, 63-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Cdti Lwb Great Spec Very long MOT spares or repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 192631. MOT, the 3rd of October 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM9R 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. Intermittent single injector misfiring. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.